Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and when I go camping, I want to be as comfortable as I am when I sleep in my bed at home. I had such good sleep when I used this 3-inch memory foam mattress when we went camping recently. I got it from BDEUS, and this is the single size. I'm 5'4", and you can see I can totally stretch out, and there is plenty of room if you are taller. But really, the bottom line is this is so squishy, so comfortable. I didn't have any aches or tweaks in my back or neck when I woke up the next morning. I just felt so rested. The other great thing about this mattress is that it folds up easily and it comes with attached straps. That makes such a huge difference when you're ready to pack up because you don't have to search for that strap that may have gotten lost or try to get it to fit with clasps. This just simply has elastic straps. You stretch them out and then they go perfectly around the roll and keep it in place. BDEUS has lots of other sizes to choose from, so whatever it is that you're looking for camping or maybe even an extra mattress to have around the house, they've got you covered. You are going to be so happy with it, and that's my point of view.